In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Projects with Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the integration step by step so you can connect your sales data with your project execution and keep everything in sync. Make sure you're logged into Zoho CRM with an account that has admin or setup permissions before you start. First, go to the Setup area in Zoho CRM. You'll find this by clicking the gear icon, usually in the top right corner of your screen. From there, look for the Marketplace section. Inside Marketplace, choose Zoho, and then select Zoho Projects. This is where you'll manage and configure the integration between the two applications. On the Zoho Projects integration page, click either Get Started or Set Up Now, depending on what you see. Both options will take you into the configuration wizard for the integration. Next, you'll configure your portal. You should see a drop-down listing your existing Zoho Projects portals. Select the portal you want to connect to CRM. If you don't already have a portal, there will be an option to create a new portal directly from this screen. Use that option if you're starting fresh, then come back and select that new portal from the drop-down. After that, you'll choose which CRM modules will show Zoho Projects information. Under the section labeled something like Zoho Projects Related List in Zoho CRM, click Add Modules. Here, select the modules where you want project details to appear, for example, accounts or deals. This determines where your users will see related projects inside CRM records. Now set up field mapping. This is an important step because it controls how information flows between CRM and projects. You'll see CRM fields on one side and Zoho Projects fields on the other. Map fields that logically belong together, such as mapping the deal name field in CRM to the project name field in Zoho Projects. This helps ensure that when you create a project from CRM, the key details are filled in automatically. Next, configure permissions for CRM users. Under the section for permissions, click Setup. Here, you can toggle access for specific profiles. For example, you might allow your sales reps to view or create projects while restricting certain actions for other profiles. Take a moment to align these settings with your team's roles and responsibilities. Once everything looks correct, your portal, modules, mappings, and permissions, click Save. The integration will be applied, and your Zoho Projects data will now be connected and visible inside Zoho CRM where